I feel like Coach has really been stepping their cookies up with y'all with the designs and stuff that they've been coming out with.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all my recent purchase. I've been wanting this purse for so long and I'm super excited. So today I am going to be showing y'all the Pillow Madison shoulder bag by Coach. And this is what it looks like, y'all. I picked this up today from Saks. I've been wanting this purse ever since I seen it. The first time I was introduced to this purse was actually, I think it was either like an Instagram ad or a Facebook ad, and I've been in love with this purse ever since. So today I have it in the color chalk. This purse actually comes in 4 different colors. Comes in chalk, comes in coral, comes in black, and it comes in gray. I will say the chalk looks more cream in person. So online it looks very, very white, but in person this purse looks cream. So I don't know if it's translating on camera like that, but it looks more cream. When I think of chalk, I think of really, really white like paper. So but this purse, y'all, is super cute. The quality is everything. So this purse is leather. I'm gonna be reading off the description of this purse. So basically this is Napa leather, zip in multifunction pockets, turn lock closure, fabric lining, outside open pocket, handles convert to shoulder strap. So this purse, you can either like have your strap like this, and it, you can do like crossbody or just have it on your shoulder, or you can just double up the straps like this. I will say this purse like can fit a lot in it, and I also feel like it has this pocket in the back, and then it also has a similar pocket once you open it. It has a similar pocket like that in the front before you even really get to the purse. And both of the back pocket has a magnet on it to keep it closed, and then that front pocket does as well before you actually like go into the bag. So Coach says this Madison is a timeless style with modern proportions, designed for work, weekends, and everywhere life takes you. Crafted of quilted plush, ultra soft leather, which it is extremely soft, y'all. It's finished with multifunction pockets and exterior slip pocket for easy access to essentials, and our signature turn lock closure. Convert the leather chain strap from long to 2 short handles, which I've already showed y'all. I will say I am absolutely in love with the Coach purses that just have the C in front of it. I feel like Coach has really been stepping their cookies up with y'all with the designs and stuff that they've been coming out with lately. I was undecisive, so I actually picked this purse up from Saks. I've been wanting it for super long because I used to have a bad habit of always getting black purses, and I'm trying to get out of that because as I'm trying to just wear more things in my wardrobe, I used to always wear black too. But as I'm trying to wear more things in my wardrobe, I do realize that I have to venture away from always getting purses that are black. My main purse that I've been carrying every day right now has been my black Marc Jacobs tote bag. But I really wanted something else, especially for spring, summer. I feel like this is the perfect color. Of course, you can do it all year round, but with this color, this will be perfect for, my lighter outfits, like my pinks, my creams, my browns, or anything like that. So I will say, y'all, I just feel like Coach has really been stepping their game up with their designs and things that they're coming out with. I feel like they've really been, trying to compete with the girls. But I feel like with this purse, for me, it was between this and the Tabby. I actually seen the Tabby in person, and the Tabby is really cute, but I don't know. I didn't like it when I seen it in person. But I do love this purse. I will say the Tabby purse, which they come in different sizes, the Tabby purse with this size was like $100 more than this purse. It's the detailing for me, y'all. So in this purse, like, I don't know if you can see, but it says like Coach right here, and it says it on the back as well. Like, I didn't even realize that till like now. Like, the details are everything. Of course, it has the C, which I just think that's so cute. I mean, I'm not really a fan of, you know how Coach always had like the C's all over the purse, and I feel like that's their signature style. I'm not really into those purses anymore, not unless I'm gonna go for like a vintage look as far as like what I'm wearing. Then a purse like that would be everything, but I feel like that's their signature look. So I feel like this is more like trendy, just the design and everything. So I do love the C. And like I showed y'all, when you first open the purse, it does have a inside pocket right here, which this has a magnet on it, and then the inside of the purse, which you can see the lining. You can also see that there is an inside pocket as well, and then in this inside pocket is just like a little Coach thing basically. As you can see, it says wear it, love it, pass it on. This is just in the purse basically, and if you scan it, it's just giving you details on how to take care of your purse. But yeah, this purse is really roomy. It has a lot of pockets, extra pockets and everything. Also, oh, I forgot to take this paper out right here. But yeah, it's very roomy. It has a lot of pockets. I do love that you know, the lining in the inside, the brown, and then the gold straps as well. I'm super excited to carry this spring and summer, because like I said, I've been needing more color. This purse retails for, I think, $4.95. So this purse is $4.95. And on the side of it, it does just come with this tag that says Coach on it. And I don't know, y'all, there's nothing much to it. I will show y'all what I can get in the purse. I'll just transfer some of my main items that I carry in my purses. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make this an everyday purse. I feel like I can because of the color and everything, but I would be too scared about getting something on it or getting it dirty. But I would say that this purse is, y'all, it's super soft. And like, if you see my video and you've been thinking about getting this purse, this is your sign to get it. Like, this is your sign to get this purse if you've been thinking about it, because I'm telling y'all, Coach has really just, like I said, been making a comeback with some really nice purses. I think this purse is actually one of their best sellers. So I knew I wanted this purse, and initially I went to the Coach outlet. I don't know why I did that, because I wasn't thinking, because you know, outlet stores really have items that are really discounted that have been out for a while. So this purse most definitely was not in there, but they did have some cute purses in there as well. They didn't have too many purses there that just had like the C on it. But like I said, I got this purse in Saks. They had the tabby in there as well, so I was able to see them side by side. The only thing is, I do wish that this purse had came in more colors. Maybe Coach will get more colors with it. Maybe Coach will get this purse in more colors, but like I said, it only comes in 4 right now, and I actually wish like they had a blue or green or some other, like red or something like that. So this purse is really cute. So I'm about to show y'all what I can get inside the purse. So right now, my everyday purse has been my Marc Jacobs tote bag, and I have this purse, sad to say, like packed to capacity, because I just been throwing some of everything in there. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all what I can fit in this purse. So I think I'm probably gonna put my purse, I mean not my purse, I think I'm probably gonna put my phone in this front pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone in this front pocket, close that up. I might put my lip gloss in there as well. I don't know, my lip gloss is something I like, y'all. Lips gotta be popping, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put my gum. I haven't even opened this gum yet in there. I'm gonna put my lip gloss. I'm going to put my change purse that I currently been carrying that my sister found for me, I think in TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna put this in here. What else? My keys, of course. I'm gonna put my keys in here. AirPods. put my mirror in here as well, which I have a little small mirror for a purse, and I could actually put that in that front pocket. Like my phone, my mirror, my lip gloss are things that I constantly like look for in my purse. So I think actually I'm gonna put those items in the front pocket. Got my edge brush, y'all. I'm gonna put my edge brush in there as well. I've been wanting to have this around too. And I'm trying to see, is there anything else that's pretty much all that I've been carrying. I will say, I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, I've been guilty of carrying a huge lotion in my purse from Bath and Body Works. Now we do know Bath and Body Works does have smaller bottles of lotion, but I pretty much been carrying a big bottle of lotion in my purse. I'm kind of ashamed about that. So y'all, I put all those things in my purse and I was able to get them in there. So I'm just gonna show y'all when I open up my purse. In this first pocket here, I do have, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show y'all, but in this first pocket here, I do have my AirPods, I have my lip gloss, I have my cell phone, and then I put my mirror. So I just kind of put things that I'm constantly getting. I actually could put my wallet in here instead of all these things, but I put that there. And then in this middle part of the purse, which is actually the purse to me, I have my keys, I have my edge brush, gotta keep them on fleek, they gotta be laid. I have what I'm carrying as a wallet right now and a change purse, and then I do have my Bath and Body Works lotion and my gum. And that's not even all the compartments, y'all. There's still this inside pocket, which I have not put anything in yet, and then there's still this back pocket, which, you know, I can put something in there as well. But I hope that y'all see everything that pretty much fit in the purse. I will say I absolutely love this purse. I feel like it carries everything I would need in my purse. Lately, I've been like, I would say a small purse kind of person, but if you've seen the tote bag that I've been carrying, this is the mini and this is huge, and I've had it packed to capacity, just kind of threw stuff in there. I will definitely not be packing this to capacity because I don't want it to be like bulgy or anything like that. But y'all, that is everything that I want to show y'all today. So yeah, y'all, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on my social medias. I'm gonna have that link down in the description box below if you're interested in my hygiene videos, my shoe reviews, my vlogs. I have different playlists for those, so make sure to check those out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
I would like to get to know